Tignan niyo yan si Roxy. Titingin yan dito yan. Go get him. I will be right back. Ala, nitubag. Nitubag. Okay. I will be right back. I will be right back. No, 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 no. Nasuko na yan, guys. Galit na yan. Ala, galit. Ala, ala, galit. Ala, galit. Ala, ala, galit. Misty Hano, she don't fight with you. You fight with her. Oh. Okay, I'll be right back. Bye-bye. Bye. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hala, guys, nasuko naman na. Enough na, enough na kayo. Nasuko. Ala, nasuko na, guys. Ala, patay tayo dito. Ala, patay tayo dito. Ala, patay. Okay na, okay, okay. Okay, give mama a huggy. Huggy, come, huggy, huggy. Huggy, huggy, mama, up. Huggy, come, huggy. Huggy, huggy. Come here. Huggy, huggy. Come here, come. Come here, right here. Come here, right here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Huggy, huggy, mama. Love, love, mama. Come here, Mitch. Come here. Come here, Roxy. Come here. Nagwawala si Paring Roxy. Maring Roxy! Nagwawala. I love you. I do. I do. I do miss me. You're not gonna get mad, okay? When your sister is barking, that means she is mad at me. She's not mad at you, and then you fight with her. Not good, honey. Not good. Hello, Roxy. My way. Roxy, no. The microphone. I always shut it off. So now dead. Nagluluto ako ngayon, guys, ng pasta. Binoboil ko ngayon yung pasta. At saka ang nilagay ko dito is a lot of garlic. Well, this garlic is not really enough. If kung si Tami ang magluluto, more garlic kasi niluluto ko siya very, ano lang siya, guys, sobrang hina yung fire until you have to wait until it like this, brown. And then I also added a pepper flake. No, it's not. Yeah, red pepper. Crushed red pepper. Yun pala yung tawag niyan, pepper. Pagkatapos nito, pag maluto na itong si pasta, magkuha ako ng tubig dito, ilagay ko doon, i-mix para naman hindi siya sobrang dry. Ano lang siya, guys, maraming oil at saka lagyan mo siya ng tubig from the pasta. At saka yun na siya. At saka pag kumakain na kayo, lagyan nyo lang siya ng Parmesan cheese. Yun. At saka lagyan ko din siya later on ng ano, guys, later pagkatapos nito ng parsley. Yun. Yun lang siya. Naghihintay lang ako ni Tami kasi ano na siya, parating na. Ay, parating, andito na yun. Malapit na yun. At saka ito, parang hindi ko pinakain. Hoy! Pinakain naman kita, dabag. Look at that here. Ito, ginoo ko ninyo. They're happy because Dada always give them something. Hala, Dada, see. Tignan yung guys. Look it. Naglalaba ako, guys. Look, the bug, look. Hub's also always waiting, guys. Itong pusa namin, naghintay din palagi yan kapag andito yung Dada nila. Excited din yan. Si Dimples lang talaga ang hindi makisama. Walang pakialam sa mundo. Hala. Han. The bug. Always with him. She start talking to you already.
What? What are you trying to tell me? You tried to bite the little bug's tail right while he was on my shoulder. You kidding?
Do you want to be comfortable? I'll get the sweater. I'll get the thing, okay? Your pajama. Sweatshirt. Yeah. Hon, put it right. Ay, nako. Roxy. What? Look, hon, oh, look. Hon. Oh my God, she's something else.
Got something to say about it?
Look, ducky, duck.
Duck? I get the duck? Can I have the duck? Is it my duck?
She's so happy. Oh, she always talk, hon.
Is it my duck?
Crazy Roxy.
Give me that duck. Give me that duck. Give me that duck.
Han, somebody's behind you, Han.
I'll give it to Missy.
Be careful to Roxy because she cannot stand up anymore. Her paw is so hairy. I need to cut those hairs.
Now look, Missy got it. What? Dancing monkey. What? I'm doing there. Oh, little bug can't sleep because of all your noise. I know. You got things to say. Clearly, you have nothing to say.
Only 2018 Subaru Forester models, not through February 28th. It's 6 a.m.
Han, ay nako, Han.
Gillette shave and add up factory and awesome every day, putting money back in the pockets of millions of Americans. What? As one of those workers, I'm glad to bring you Gillette quality wellness. Why you can beat the men and women with Gillette. Gillette, the best a man can get.
What?
Getting an amazing iPhone 8?
Yeah.
What?
And
I'm the new spring turn.
plus,
Intern.
What?
Yeah, perfect, right?
now get one iPhone 8 and get a
Nagul.
Give me that duck. Give me that ducky. We need a ducky. We need a ducky. Oh, good girl. Just good girl. Thank you. You're such a good girl. Yeah.
What do you want, Rox? She's gonna get mad at you. How many you have left in the other house? No more?
Probably just a couple. I don't know. I didn't look. How many did you take before?
We have I took one only, plus
Only
you
one?
get out two, so maybe you don't have more left.
You gotta be like 3 minutes. Where you battling at?
Han, she's digging, Han.
Rox,
Roxy!
come on. Come on.
Hala, Han, there's something over there.
Give my shoes.
Hey! This is what they like about when Dada's around, guys. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo.
Sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Sit up. Sit.
Sit up.
Sit. Misty. Sit. Sit. No, sit.
Misty.
Come here, miss.
Sit up,
Sit.
Misty.
Sit. Misty, sit. Sit. That means butt on the ground. Sit.
Sit up, Misty. Sit up. Sit up.
Come
Sit
on,
up.
Sit up.
Ay,
Sit up.
nako.
Your ass standing. Watch. Roxy, sit up. Sit up. Good girl. Now you sit up. Come on, sit up. Good girl.
No, she's not really sitting up.
I know. She's just paying me her butt hurts.
May nakikita ako dito sa labas, guys, na hayop. Animal siya. Hala. Yun yung ano dito. Kabuang talaga. Nako talaga. Okay, suotin natin yan ulit. Kasi hindi pa man yan hindi pa man yan hugaw. Why all of you are here? No, we're watching Salt, guys. Movie Salt. Salty. Very salty. Hello. Hi guys. Matutulog na kami, guys. And bukas na lang din tayo magkita-kits. Masakit yung tiyan ko, guys. Yes, sobrang sakit. Pumunta na ako sa bathroom at nag-utot-utot na at nag-alam na. Saka masakit pa rin. Dito kuto-kuto. Kung sa Pilipinas pa ni, kung sa Pilipinas pa ito, guys, gihigta na rin akong kuto-kuto. Gihigta na niyo. Gibutangan og gas. Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Kita-kits tayo bukas. Han? Alright, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Okay. Ice pack para sa ulo ng asawa ko. Kasi masakit daw yung ulo niya. Walang katapusang sakit. Ay, naku, talaga. Ice pack. Okay, this is enough, right? Okay. I guess see you tomorrow, guys. Bye. Nighty. Bye. Da 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 da.